Yes, so I don bring another ogbonge and legitimate informate for you, my correct person. Our president wey Bola Ahmed Tinubu like this now, my correct people, im don put am for gear 4. As in, our president now im don increase the effort to make our economy e bounce back. Who talk say our president no dey help? Make the person check well, because like say e no know wetin dey talk. Like this now, our president, the man mind dey. The things and things wey don dey do na to let everybody know say im wan help, im wan try, na make dem elect am to become our president for inside we country Nigeria. Like this now, my correct people, him don dey organize talent dem, big men dem, ogbonge men dem from different stakeholder group dem into one new council like that wey dey just form so, and the council name na Presidential Economic Coordination Council, wey be PECC. No be small koko, my correct people. Before I give you the full gist, I wan welcome you back to Anointed Lady TV. You know very well say for inside the channel dey like give you ogbonge and legitimate news on wetin dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, make you try go subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell, so that as they bring the news dey come, my correct person, you dey get the update sharp. Anyhow the news be for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Alright, my correct people, back to the koko of the hour. As I'm talking to you right now, my correct people, you see this new council wey dem form so wey be the Presidential Economic Coordination Council. Now e don become the highest economic body for inside we country Nigeria, because no be small men dey inside o. Na senior men dem, ogbonge politicians dem na dey inside. Like this now, our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and the vice president and chairman of the National Economic Council, be NEC, na both of them na be the chairman of this new council dem form so. While the vice chairman na Senator Kashim Shettima. No be small koko, my correct people. Our president Tinubu im constantly establish the economic management team task force. He said they go dey work together with other economic team wey don dey before wey be say na Wale Edo na dey lead them. And im constantly yarn say them now dey come dey act as engine room, as in dem go dey work hand to hand, dey strategize, dey bring out planning, dey bring out things and things wey they go do to make sure say the economic of our country e come back to life. You understand? No be small planning, my correct person. So if you talk say our president mind no dey for inside we country Nigeria, make you try think am again, because all these things now e dey point at one thing: to help our economic, to help our country, to help our nation Nigeria, so that im go balance us, im go stand again, make everything for stew for inside we country Nigeria. Now make im organize the PECC, wey be the Presidential Economic Coordination Council, and im come give all of them mandate to say like this now, all of them need to work hard to bring up ideas dem wey go help the country, even if na mid-term or long-term basics. This mid-term or long-term basics mean say solution wey go last long for inside we country. No be say you go just bring up ideas or solution wey be say after like 5 or 6 months or even 1 year sef, the economy of the country go fall inside another gbese like that again. That no make sense. They need long-term solution wey be say e go last like 5 to 10 years. You understand? And based on research, my correct people, evidence don already show say bringing people on board e dey help well. They say 2 heads are better than 1 normally. You understand? A problem shared is problem half solved. You get? So that's why it just be like, my correct people. As the president now, they bring people on board to share the kasala, make everybody for bring their own point of view. You get? That one now, it go help to reduce the tension on one person, and it go help sef for more ideas to come board wey go help our country Nigeria. Like our former president now be Olusegun Obasanjo, after he don constitute one second economic management team like that, wey say e dey also partnered with corporate Nigeria to make the economy march forward to become the largest for inside Africa. Even Buhari partnership with owners and captains of industry wey dey fight COVID-19 pandemic that time, e still contribute plenty towards the successful containment of the worldwide surge. E no easy. So partnership, it matters a lot. Like this now, my correct people, we dey expect the members of this Presidential Economic Coordination Council, wey be say even state governors, ministers, industrialists dem, economic eggheads dem, all of them, make dem bring their knowledge and insight, make dem bring all their contacts, make dem bring all their connections to make our president succeed. Because we country people, we don too see shege for inside this our country Nigeria. We don too see shege. We dey go through a lot like this for the past 9 years. Situations come even worse with the kind of decisions wey our current president Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey take. Imagine as he just enter seat, sharp he remove fuel subsidy, everything just come high. You understand? And everywhere just come dey hot for inside the country. E no make sense at all. But my correct person, you see the good news of this council wey the president just arrange show their number one task na to end the hunger pandemic wey we don dey face for inside dis country in Nigeria, and to bring better food security come. You see dis matter of agriculture, my correct people, the thing don pass emergency, but like dis now, dis council wey dey just arrange so, dey dey yarn say they go raise the level of this agriculture to the level of state religion wey be say everybody for inside this our country in Nigeria must belong. Secondly, they come dey yarn say the matter of this foreign exchange na something wey be say their hand go touch too. Say our country Nigeria must go back to full productivity, and when that one happen e go come reduce the level of insecurity on a massive level, particularly terrorism and banditry wey dey always dey happen for inside the north. So na so the matter be like, my correct person. You know say since wey our president become president, in decisions now, if we check am well well, na for the betterment of our country and for the betterment of the country people. So make everybody just dey reason am. You know say in decisions e dey harsh normally. The fuel subsidy wey remove, e joke, but still on still na for the betterment of everybody. Make we just get am for the back of our mind say the man mind e dey to help with country people. So make we do the calms, make we try to calm down, make we give am time, make him perform. You understand? Because under him administration now, the Central Bank of Nigeria, be CBN, they don launch one kind ogbonge fight against the inflation. And this fight wey dem launch so e dey the same with the one wey the US Federation dem do under Paul Volcker for the year 1979 to 1987, and they come win. So the CBN now dey yarn say based on say the fight dey similar, dem too dem get hope say they go still win too against inflation. So everything na just matter of time, because for inside February 2024, Central Bank of Nigeria under Yemi Cardoso, they be launch one kind attack like that against inflation, and it come make the monetary policy rate increase by 400 basic points dem, from 18.75% to 22.75%. But the CBN governor be Yemi Cardoso, he come dey yarn say the 400 basic points wey increase to 22.75%, say e no dey big enough. Like they be dey expect 23.0%, but the 12-member committee now they come settle for the 22.75%. But Yemi Cardoso dey yarn with him full chest say him get confidence very very well say inflation rate for inside we country Nigeria, say e go drop to 21.5% inside this year wey be 2024. And as he don yarn am like this, we no go doubt am, because the man e dey try. Our country naira now e don dey get value to dollar, because as I'm talking to you right now, for inside black market now, $1 e don equal 1,290 compared to the 1,309.39 wey dey sell per dollar last week. That is to say, my correct people, anything wey they do, e dey work, and e reach make we clap for them. So make country people try to do the calms, because na only time now e go take. So far as say progress dey, make we just chill small, you understand? But the truth of the matter be say country people then follow for the kind katakata wey we dey face for inside this our country Nigeria, because now they go use the price of dollar now as excuse for everything. They go say you know say dollar don increase, you know say dollar don increase. E no make sense. As the dollar now dey come down, make their own goods come down kwano, some of them go say they go see they sell for the high price. E no good at all. As the naira now dey fight seriously to survive, the government need to touchlight this price control system kwano, because e get as e be. So anyhow this cocoa be for body, my correct people, feel free make a drop am inside this comment section. You know say we na Anointed Lady TV, we dey like give you ogbonge and legitimate news wey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, abeg make you try subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news dey come, e dey get the update sharp. And make you try to share the news to your family and friends, so that them too they go get update on wetin dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. And they bring another update, they come for you, my correct person. No go anywhere.